ingredients, we have here 2 kilos of chicken wings. The marinated of chicken, we have 2 green bell peppers, 3 habanero peppers, half a tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 string seasoning, 3 Maggi cubes, 2 whole garlic, okay, about 2.5 tablespoons of mustard, and some vinegar. So we're going to add the vinegar dependent on the amount of chicken. So it can be about 2 to 3 or 4 tablespoons of vinegar. So we're going to blend these ingredients first and then add in the mustard and the vinegar, then add it to our chicken. Over here we have our seasoning. I also added some ginger. So we have ginger, garlic, habanero peppers, green bell peppers, okay, some Maggi cubes, all right, a tablespoon of salt, okay. So these are the seasonings, okay. Added to that, we'll add the 2.5 tablespoon of mustard, okay, that goes in, and some vinegar, okay. So this is about 3-4 tablespoons, okay, maybe 5. So we're going to mix all of that together. Okay. Mix all of that together. Okay, at this stage you can taste the seasoning to see how the salt is and everything. Whatever is missing, you can add it at this stage. If everything is okay, then you can just pour in the chicken. Alright, the chicken goes in. So we're going to let it sit in the marinade for about 3-4 hours. Okay, and then we'll come back to show you the rest of the steps. Okay, so over here you can add in any seasoning that you want, any seasoning of your taste. Okay, you can also add in some herbs like oregano or thyme or paprika, whatever seasoning that you like, you can actually put in the seasoning. Okay, but you know, just this mixture is really perfect and tasty enough. So just that can also be enough. You can also add black pepper more if you like it spicy. You can also add in some habanero peppers or more habanero peppers. Okay. Here we have our chicken wing seasoned. Okay, it has been sitting in the marinade for about 3-4 hours. So now we're going to steam it. So you don't add any water to it. The water here is the water from the chicken and the marinade. So you let it steam in that fluid or liquid until all of the chicken wings are cooked before we coat them into the breadcrumbs. The ingredients for our breadcrumbing is the breadcrumbs. We also have shrimp seasoning, 1 tablespoon, a tablespoon of paprika, and a teaspoon of black pepper that we're going to mix with the breadcrumbs. And here we have 3 eggs that we're going to beat to coat the chicken wings in before putting it in the breadcrumbs. The chicken has already cooled down, so we have our flour. Okay, you can add some seasoning to the flour as well if you want, but since we marinated it right and it is tasty, you may not need to season the flour, but if you like you can. So we have the 3 eggs here. We're going to beat that. Mixed breadcrumbs here. So I take one from here, then put the flour mixture. Alright. Shake any excess of it and dump it in the egg mixture. It goes into the breadcrumbs. Alright. Okay. Then to bake. Take another to the flour mixture. Shake any excess flour. Put it in the air mixture. And put it breadcrumbs. So we're going to repeat this step for the rest of the chicken wings. And then let it stay in the freezer for about 15 minutes, okay, before we start frying. The chicken wings are all set now, so this is how it looks. You can put it in the freezer for about 15 minutes if you like to keep it even more fun. My pot is ready now. I'm going to add in some oil. Okay, so we're going to be deep frying it, so this amount of oil is okay. Alright, let that heat up. So our oil is hot now. I'm going to start frying now. So since the chicken is cooked inside, so the oil can be a little bit hotter than the normal. Okay, so we're just going to fry it now until it gets brown, and we are done. So after 3 minutes, our wings are done. Okay, they're already brown and cooked. So we'll take them out and put it on a paper towel. And repeat the whole step for the whole of the chicken wing. So there you have it. Chicken wings are ready. There you have it. So we're having this with some mayonnaise and ketchup. Mayo and ketchup. Bon appetit. For all your catering services, please check out Today's Kitchen and Catering. Here we have some meat pies, okay, chicken wings in breadcrumbs, some hot chicken wings, grilled, and some French fries. There you have it. We are always at your service.